Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy M35 5G with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.6 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 83.8% screen to body ratio, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, 390 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear, that includes 50 megapixel wide angle camera with OIS optical image stabilization support, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel wide-angle front camera. Located in centered punch hole, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68MP5 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 78.6 by 9.1 mm, and it weights around 222 grams, and the color options light blue, gray, dark blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M35 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,699 Brazilian real. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M35 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.